So here's the old microwave that I took down, old clunker. And here's the hole, you can see the bracket. Cabinets now have to be repainted. Up top there, I'm going to have to probably cut that little piece out, making a template. Have to remove that last piece of tile since they were both cut pieces. So now I have full piece. That's where I'm going to go through the wall to the outside. I have to, I'm going to lay the ductwork going from left to right there. There's getting ready the hole going into the cabinet. I cut those pieces out so that the ductwork will sit down flat and it'll be lower. This is a saw I bought, 6-inch. There's my long drill bit, drilling all the way through to get to the outside. Had to change a hole, had to move it over to the left because I hit a stud. There's the big mess. Have to paint the cabinets. My daughter did some artwork on there. There's the new microwave cover or mounting bracket. Starting to cut the hole outside. There's the hole. There's the bronze 6-inch aluminum vent. I put a little piece on there so it'll stick to the wall. There it is, all attached. Pipe coming through. Elbow down into the cabinet. There's the new tile work that I had to add. The duct going down to it. And there it is, the new, it's a half, it's one of the low profile microwaves, which is it's a vent microwave. It's pretty awesome. It doesn't look like a microwave as much as a regular one. I kind of like it.